So I just recently purchased another pair of Nike Waffles, and I decided instead of giving you guys a unboxing and a review like I usually do, I want to do something different, and I'm going to do a Nike Waffle haul. So if you're interested in seeing all of my Nike Waffles, stay tuned. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Felicia here with another video. On my channel I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're into those type of things, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button and leave a comment if you enjoy the content that I'm giving you guys right now. Like I was saying, I just recently purchased another pair of Nike Waffles. This is my fourth pair. They have a chokehold on me. I love Nike Waffles. They're comfortable. They're easy to style. I love the colorways that they come in, and they just look great for a nice casual sneaker. And like I just said, I just got another pair, and I was going to do an unboxing, but I was like, I think I'm going to do something different. Since these waffles got me in a chokehold, I decided to give you guys a haul of my Nike Waffles. So I'm gonna start from my oldest pair, and we're gonna end with the newest pair that I just purchased. So the first pair that I have is the Waffle Racer LX Series QS. This is the first pair that I got, and I think I got these maybe in, I think I purchased these probably around 2021 or 2020. I want to say 2021. And the colorway is pale ivory, silver, and muslin. And so this is how they look. Now be mindful that these are my oldest pair, but this is how they look. I probably did a unboxing on these, but these are how they look on the sides. You have the toe bed and the back. Now what makes these shoes waffles is the sole. These, I wore these, so the sole is a bit dirty, but they have like that waffle detail in it, like a Lego My Ego. And so that's why they have the name, the Waffle. So these are my first pair. I really like these. I wear these when I don't want to wear a all white sneaker, but I do want like a neutral color. I wear these. Unfortunately, these are sold out on the Nike app. They don't have these anymore. If I find any of these that's still available, I will definitely leave the link to them. The great thing about Nike Waffles are they are easy to find. You don't have to go on the you don't have to go to Sneakers app. You can go straight to the Nike app. You can go to JD Sports. You can go wherever. You can walk in a store and you'll be able to find you a nice pair of waffles, which is one of the reasons why I like them so much. And so my second pair is the Nike Waffle Trainer, and this is the grade school. The color is midnight navy, white, and off Noir. These I actually won in a raffle from my girl Forever Patron Denise. Make sure that you are following her channel. She does the same thing like me. She does sneakers, fashion, and she also has a family channel as well. And so whoopsie, wrong shoe. They were supposed to be in order. Like I was saying, these pair are the pair. I won these in a raffle. I won these from Forever Patron Denise. Make sure you follow her channel, Forever Patron Denise. She does fashion, beauty, and lifestyle as well. So make sure you go and check out her channel. And she is a true sneakerhead. She is heavy with the sneaker content. So you definitely want to check her out. Now, like I said, these are the Nike Waffle 1. This is a grade school, size 7. The colors are Active Fuchsia and University Gold. I don't know why they only put 2 colors, but Active Fuchsia, Fuchsia, and University Gold. And so these are how these two look. I guess I can do it like that, show you in the box like so. That's how they look. And let's pull these out. I actually wore these today, and we can go straight to the sole. As you see, they have like that waffle. I guess I could put these. They have that waffle detailing in it that I was just talking about. And so these are different because these have more of a mesh. They're more mesh and see-through, which I think is great for the summer, which is why I have these got me in a chokehold, because that mesh is great in the summertime. I actually wear these with no socks because of the mesh. And let me show you the other shoe, but they have their fuchsia. It has a little bit of yellow in it and the black. I really like these, especially like on a day where you're wearing all black or something like that. But I also like this particular waffle, like I said, because of the mesh. So on hot days, your feet aren't super, super hot. And again, I love this style. This is a great casual style. Real cute. And this colorway is just, it's eye-popping. It catches your attention. So this pair I did buy this year. I bought these earlier this year, maybe around February or March. These were actually purchased with my gift card that I got for Christmas from my nieces. So I guess you can say these pair comes from my nieces. And this is the Nike Waffle Trainer 2. This is also another grade size. If I did not say, I wear a grade size 7. And the colorway for this is Midnight Navy and White off Nior. They be killing me with Nike and these names. These colorways be killing me. And so this is how these look. Like so. Let's pull them out. The box. Again, you have that the waffle on the sole. Now, I like the other pair that I showed you. These don't have the mesh. These are more like the first pair. I really like these because this gives me like an old school vibe. You know, just a basic, clean, classic shoe. And I got the navy and white. I thought these would be great for the summer and spring. You're wearing jeans and a white shirt or something like that. I do wear a lot of navy. I have a lot of navy shoes. I don't know why. I just like how crisp and clean they look, especially with that white contrasting against the blue. I just really like these, and I think these are a really nice, clean shoe. And then you have the Nior because the sole is black. But yeah, just a nice classic Nike. I think this is a great shoe. School is starting back. I think this would be a great shoe if your kid is in uniform. They wear blue or white. This would be a great shoe for them to have for the school year. Now, let's get into my most recent purchase. I purchased these because, speaking of school, my alumni, I went to Chicago Vocational High School in Chicago, and we have a lot of alumni events that's coming up, and we just always hang out and get together anyway. You would think because I'm from Chicago and it's a huge city that we would just disperse and everybody would part ways, but it's almost like a small town feel with our high school where everybody still keeps in touch, everybody is still friends, all of that. So many years later, how many years is none of your business. Okay, so let's get into this shoe. So this is, oops, I got the box all messed up. This is the Nike Waffle 1GS. This is, the colorway is yellow stripe, white, and anthracite. I don't know, but I'll show you what the colorway is when I show you. Basically, they're blue, gold, and white, child. Why couldn't they just say that? Or blue, gold, and yellow. And so those were my school colors in high school. These pair did come with an extra pair of shoestrings, and I believe that these were the only waffles that I had that came with an extra pair of shoestrings. I'm not sure, maybe the other ones did, and I just slipped the strings out. So again, ooh, come on, gum bottom. I didn't even notice that. I don't feel like they, all right now. Now they had these on the Nike app, but I actually got these from JD Sports. These are on sale on the Nike app, and they did have an extra 20% off. I don't know if that sale is still going on. However, they are kind of running out of sizes. But let's get into this gum bottom. On the bottom, I like that with that hint of red. And again, we got that waffle going on. So let's get into this shoe. This is like a special edition shoe. It says, go the extra smile on there. And as you can see, it has some little smiley faces on the swoosh. It has just like this little red stitching, just a few little small parts of red. Here it says NSW Waffle 1. So that's there. And then, do this one say the same thing? Yeah, it says the same thing on this one. You can't really see it, but it says go the extra smile. You have your, there you go. Go the extra smile. You have the smiley faces as well as this one. Oh, and so this tongue just has the Nike swoosh. The cool thing about, another cool thing about waffles is the way the tongue falls on your foot. It usually, the way that they cut, it usually kind of slants. So that's pretty cool. This is the mesh style. So as you can see, it has that mesh on it like that. And you have just that blue and that gold. Just a nice shoe. And I think this is going to be great. Like I said, my school colors were blue and gold, so it's gonna look great with that. And I will rock these. I probably won't rock them that much in the fall and winter months just because I want this yellow to stay nice and bright. But in the summer months, I can wear this with some yellow. And then we have what I did not talk about that's also very new, unique with the waffles is the way the back sole is. So as you can see, we have like a 1, 2, 3 sole situation going on. And so that is that. Just a nice, like I said, Nike Waffles are just a nice, classic, clean shoe to have, easy to style. As you can see, they come with great colorways. Excuse me. And that is why they have me in the chokehold, literally. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which pair of Nike Waffles did you like the most. Also, let me know if you own a pair or if you're interested in a pair. Like, they are very comfortable. They fit true to size. And you can get some for under $100. Just put that all out there. And they're not a hype shoe, so they're easy to find unless you're going for something. They do have some other kinds that's more on a more higher level, which you might have to, you know, fight a little bit more for those. But for just your basic pair, simple, easy to find. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know which ones you like, and hit that comment and like button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.